guys, welcome back to another episode of Joe's Garage, and today we are going to be unboxing this, which is a cart to house all the material that we're going to use to keep our Corvette C8 clean, detailed, and looking really good. It's going to be the detail cart. Alright, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This handy-dandy roller cart from Amazon for, I think it was like 70 bucks. 60 bucks. It's 3 tiers, it's got wheels. You push it, they lock, etc. I'm going to end up putting all the cleaning supplies, chamois, wipes, etc. blah, blah, blah. And we'll put this thing to good use. Alright, so here's the cart in its finished form. Up top I have stuff for external washing, cleaning, brushes, the mother's rubber remover, and then there I have stuff for the inside or the interior of the car. I've got drying towels, I've got chamois, I've got microfiber cloths, I've got mitts, I've got a bunch of stuff. I've got some soap down here. I'm going to go over different products. By the way, I've also got this handy dandy detail brush. Ooh, almost want to shave with it. So that's it. I'll be going over the different products that I use to detail the car in another video. Stay tuned.